Hello everybody, myself Dr. Ajay Sharma, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, James Engineering Management Technical Campus, Greater Noida. My subject is Optoelectronics and Optical Communication. This is 7th semester main subject, and the topic that I will discuss today is fiber optic and its advantages, or this topic may be written as optical communication advantages, or sometimes written as advantages of optical communication, right? Before proceed to advantage of optical fiber or optical communication, where optical fiber is the main part, that's why we call it as the optical fiber communication. We have to first focus on fiber. What is fiber optics? So fiber optics is the branch of optical technology concerned with the transmission of radiant power. Radiant power means light energy through a fiber, right? So fiber optics deal with the transmission of light energy through optical fiber. So optical fiber are basically used in optical communication as a channel to transmit the information, right? So in fiber optics, the information is sent via a light, or you may say light energy, right? So what is fiber optics? So fiber optics is the branch of optical technology concerned with the transmission of radiant power, or you may say light energy, through the fiber. So basically optical fibers are utilized in fiber optics. Fiber means optical fiber. It's a plastic pipe, or you may say it's a plastic pipe, or sometimes you say it's a glass pipe. So because in optical fiber, the material that we use to manufacture this optical fiber is the mixture of plastic and glass. So this optical fiber is made of glass plus plastic. So we sometimes say that okay, it's a cable of glass, or it's a cable of plastic, and that fiber actually support a light, or you may say light energy. So basically fiber optics deals with the transmission of light energy. That light contains the information through a optical fiber, or you may say optical cable. So now from fiber optics concept, we have a fiber optic data link. So data link can be established through a now we will discuss what is the advantages and disadvantages of optical fiber optics, or sometimes you may say that it's the same advantages of optical communication, same advantages of optical fiber, or you may say fiber optics. So actually as we already discussed in previous slides that optical communication deal with the light, because the information is to be sent through or optical fiber, and in optical fiber there is a flow of light that have the information, right? So fiber optics deal with optical signal rather than the electrical signal, right? So the optical system based on a light, and because of that there is some advantages. One is improved system performance, We have to improve system performance means because the frequency of a light signal is far more than the frequency of any electrical signal, because the frequency, the frequency of this light signal is in terahertz, 10 to the power, which is equal to 10 to the power 12 hertz, right? So basically, because the improved system performance means we have a high frequency signal, and because of high frequency we have a high bandwidth also, right? So light signals support very high bandwidth, high speed, high frequency. Second is immunity to electrical noise. Obvious, because light signal, because the noise that come in communication is electrical signal. So the electrical signal can't mix in a light signal. So there is a immunity of this electrical noise. So if communication system, if channel of a communication system introduce a noise which is obviously a electrical signal, can't affect this light signal, because electrical signal can't mix into the light signal. So we have a immunity to electrical noise. So this noise that come in the picture in communication system in the form of electrical signal can't affect our light signal. Then signal security, improved safety. Safety means, if you light, like in electrical signal, if you pick a wire where the electrical current is to be flowing, there is a danger of shock, but in optical fiber, because of light signal, there is no danger of shock. Even you can do some work on optical fiber without a shutdown, but in electrical system, first you have to shut down the system, then you have to do work on the electrical system. So we have improved safety and electrical isolations. So there is no danger of shock in optical communication, because light can't give you a shock. So you can work without any shutdown. Other advantage of this optical fiber is its size and its weight. It's a very lightweight. If you compare with the electrical wires or transmission lines, it is very lightweight and size. And overall system economy means with the same optical fiber, you have to utilize a very thin optical fiber for many purposes. Means with a single fiber, you can see hundreds of channels in your home. Same optical cable is utilized for phone, for cable, for video conferencing. So many works you can do at home with the optical fiber. So overall system, this affects the overall system of economy, and the system become very economical because a single thin fiber is utilized for many purposes, right? There are some questions that should be answered by the students after this lecture. The question should be, first question is, define fiber optics. This may be asked in an examination of 5 marks. Describe the basic function of optical fiber optic data link. What are the basic functions that we already list? The 3 parts of fiber optic. Actually, this is a non-list. This list should be replaced by explain. So because list the 3 parts of the optical data link is just a very short answer. You have to write only transmitter, receiver and optical fiber. So this question 3 should be written as explain the 3 parts of the optical data link, so that you can describe the function of or working of transmitter, optical transmitter, describe the function or working of optical receiver and function of optical fiber. Thank you very much.